Aloha Kauai. This is your weekly County of Kauai briefing for Monday, November 8th. I'm Managing Director Mike DeHelig. We are sad to report another death from COVID-19 today. The individual was a hospitalized visitor in his 80s. Our condolences go out to his ohana and from all of us here on Kauai. Our case count remains elevated. There are now 11 COVID patients hospitalized, the largest number of hospitalizations we've seen on island during the course of the pandemic. For the latest on our daily case count and clusters, we turn to Kauai Deputy District Health Officer Lauren Guest. Lauren?
Thanks, Mike. Today, the Kauai District Health Office is reporting 21 new cases, 2 visitors and 19 residents. 4 are children and 17 are adults. 2 of the cases are related to mainland travel. The remaining 19 cases are considered community acquired. 9 of these are close contacts of a previously announced case or are tied to an active cluster. The remaining 10 have no known source of infection. Over the past week, our average daily case count was 16 cases per day. We currently have 3 active clusters on island, 1 social gathering, and 2 other occupational settings. A few more potential clusters are currently under investigation to determine whether they meet the cluster criteria. Today's cases bring the number of active cases to 111, with 11 hospitalized. Since the beginning of the pandemic, we've had 2,785 cases confirmed locally, 8 probable, and 51 cases diagnosed elsewhere as they received their pre-travel test results after arriving on island. Please, everyone, if you feel sick, stay home. There are several recent cases where people went to work thinking they have allergies or a cold and later tested positive for COVID-19. If you're sick, don't go to work or school. Get tested. 1 infected person can start a cluster. For the full list of free testing locations and hours, visit kauai.gov/COVID test. The convention hall and mobile testing van will be closed on Veterans Day. They are open the rest of the week.
Thanks, Lauren. And now it's time to answer some of your questions for Kauai District Health Officer Dr. Janet Berriman with Ask Dr. B. Lots of questions about keiki vaccines this week. Dr. B, why are you recommending that parents get their kids vaccinated for COVID?
Thanks, Mike. Getting vaccinated protects your children. While most children who get infected fare better than adults, in some cases it can be severe, requiring hospital ICU care or even rarely causing death. In Hawaii, 2% of children younger than 12 who test positive for COVID have needed hospitalization. We're also learning more about the effects of long COVID, which can cause long-term health effects even in young children and even after mild disease. If you live with a grandparent or any family member with chronic health conditions, getting your keiki vaccinated helps protect those loved ones also. The vaccine makes it safer for them to socialize with their peers and participate in sports and other activities. Vaccines have been safely administered to hundreds of millions of people, including many teens aged 12 and up. They are safe and highly effective.
Dr. B, is the vaccine for children 5 through 11 the same as the vaccine for adults, or is it different?
It's the same Pfizer vaccine that's been given to hundreds of millions of adults and teenagers, but it is 1/3 of the dose. The syringe and needle are smaller. The side effects, safety, and effectiveness are equivalent to what's seen in other age groups. As a mom, a pediatrician, and a public health physician, I recommend vaccinating your keiki now.
Thanks, Dr. B. Vaccines for keiki ages 5 to 11 are now available on Kauai at Kaiser Permanente, Long's Lihui, Wilcox Medical Center, and KVMH. Parents, please protect your children, your ohana, and our community by getting your keiki vaccinated soon. The vaccines are free and no insurance is necessary. Minors must be accompanied by a parent or guardian. If you live on the west side, Kauai Veterans Memorial Hospital is offering walk-ins for ages 5 and up. They are open this Wednesday afternoon, November 10th, and next Wednesday, November 17th from 2 to 5 each day. 3 clinics in Lihui are now accepting appointments. Links are posted at kauai.gov/vaccine. The Kaiser Permanente Lihui Clinic is holding a special keiki vaccine day this Thursday on the Veterans Day school holiday. Walk-ins are accepted, or you can book an appointment online. The clinic is open weekdays from 8:30 to 4:30, closed from noon to 1. Long's Pharmacy in Lihui is accepting appointments for ages 5 and up, 7 days a week. The other Long's locations are offering adult vaccines only. The clinic at Wilcox Medical Center will be open for ages 5 to 11 this Tuesday, November 9th from 5 to 7 p.m., this Saturday, November 13th from 8 a.m. to noon, and next Tuesday, November 16th from 5 to 7 p.m. Make an appointment at kauai.gov/vaccine. The vaccine is our path to a future full of team sports, birthday celebrations, and ohana get-togethers. Last week, Governor Ige announced updated travel rules for international travelers coming to Hawaii. Beginning today, many foreign national travelers who are fully vaccinated are now allowed to travel to the U.S. with a pre-travel test. For details, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. Free tests are available without a doctor's order or insurance at the Convention Hall, Lihui Pharmacy, and our mobile van. The Convention Hall Testing Center is open weekdays from 8 to 3:30, but it will be closed this Thursday for Veterans Day. Our mobile testing van will be open in Keikaha on Wednesday from 9 to 1. It will be closed this Thursday. It will be in Kalaheo on Friday, Hanalei on Saturday, and Kapa'a on Sunday from 9 to 1 each day. Lihui Pharmacy is open for testing 7 days a week from 9 to 5. They are accepting appointments on Veterans Day. Sign up at preventcovidhi.com. Tests are also available with a doctor's order at Wilcox, KVMH, and Clinical Labs. For a full list, visit kauai.gov/COVID test. If you do travel off island, please get a free test 3 to 5 days after you return to protect yourself, your ohana, and your colleagues or your classmates. Adults and children 12 and up who are ready to start their vaccinations or want a booster can come to one of our free mobile clinics this week. The Wilcox Hawaii Health Systems mobile van will be at the Kapa'a Neighborhood Center this Thursday, November 11th, Kalaheo Neighborhood Center on Friday, November 12th, and the Princeville Community Center this Saturday, November 13th, all from noon to 3 each day. No appointments will be needed. The team from Ho'olahui will hold clinics at the Kapa'a Medical Clinic and the Waimea Medical Clinic this Saturday, November 13th from 9 to 11 a.m. Walk-ins are welcome. For a full list of locations where you can get a vaccine 7 days a week, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Finally, as we head into Veterans Day, we want to take this opportunity to thank all of you who defend our nation and our state. We are grateful for your service. A special mahalo to our Hawaii National Guard members who have stepped out throughout this pandemic. If you have a veteran in your life, we honor them this week. Again, remember everyone, if you travel, get tested. If you gather, stay outdoors. Wear a mask when around others. Stay home when sick. Get vaccinated if you can. Mahalo, Kauai.